You have no idea. You have no fucking idea about shit. You think you're free? You're not fucking free. This world is going down the fucking toilet in the handbasket. Home of the free? Suck my fucking dick. An endless parade of mental subjugation. Fucking with your heads. The music, the television, the books, the advertisements, the commercialism, everything. Fucking slaves in the prison of the fucking mind. Lambs led to the goddamn slaughter. The same handful of pricks ruling the country for the last 300 fucking years, and you don't even fucking know about that. Try to look up the Council of National Policy. Try to figure out what the fuck they do. They don't fucking tell you. The military-industrial complex. They shot a fucking brick when Oliver Stone made JFK. They weren't ready for that shit. How many of our fucking presidents were fucking skull and bones? Do you know that? Retarding your mind with bullshit on the television, bullshit on the radio, bullshit on the internet, bullshit in the streets, feeding you bullshit day after day, second after second. Smile and ask for more. 9/11? Kiss my fucking ass. Where did that plane go that crashed into the Pentagon? Why did that fucking building collapse when jet fuel doesn't even burn nearly as hot as it needs to? Democrat, Republican, who gives a flying fuck? Same shit, different day, different year, different life, same shit. The schools perpetuating a process, retardation of the populace. Open your fucking eyes. 1984 is now. Wake the fuck up. Manufactured teeny pop shit filling your head like Tokyo Rose, keeping you sedated while I slowly rape your families and take your children. The corporations pump you full of caffeine and sugar from 6 years old and send you off to war in a meat grinder. A fucking crucible of sand and death. Line the fucking pockets of the fat asses who make weapons. America, fucking born in war, fucking rose in war, fucking lives in war, will fucking die in war. Celebrities and so-called fucking news distract us from what's really going the hell on. Billions pass around each other's dirty, oily, wrinkled white hands and just sweep the whole problem under the fucking rug. Fucking typical. Take your fucking hybrid and think you're doing shit while they continue to rape the earth for their oil. Wave your signs and think you're doing shit while they continue to send kids off to war for no fucking reason. Vote for Barack Obama and think it matters. Him and Cheney are fucking cousins. Wake up. Wear your pins and organize your fucking demonstrations while they continue to shit on you from above. Shit on you from so high up you can't even fucking see them in the night. Stand there with your fucking mouth open like a retard while they feed you their one-sided version of history. My only advice to you is to lock your fucking windows before you go to sleep.